Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What did you do yesterday?
I played with my toys.
Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I watched a cartoon.
Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park.
Did you eat pizza for dinner?
No, I had spaghetti.
What did your mom cook yesterday?
She made chicken for dinner.
Did you help your dad at home?
Yes, I helped him clean.
Where did you find your book?
I found it on the shelf.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it before dinner.
What did you wear to the party?
I wore a blue dress.
Did you see a movie last night?
No, I read a book.
Where did you hide during the game?
I hid behind the tree.
What did you buy at the store?
I bought fruits and snacks.
Where did you put your shoes?
I put them near the door.
Did you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visited them last weekend.
What did you do when it rained?
I stayed indoors and read.
Did you play in the garden?
Yes, I played with my dog.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I tidied up my room.
Where did you put your school bag?
I placed it on my desk.
What did you learn in school yesterday?
I learned about animals.
Did you visit the library?
No, I didn't go to the library.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
Did you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I played the piano.
What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a tree and flowers.
Did you have a picnic in the park?
Yes, we had a picnic.
What did you see at the zoo?
I saw lions and elephants.
Did you bake cookies with your mom?
Yes, we baked chocolate cookies.
Where did you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrated at home with family.
Did you play a game on your computer?
No, I played board games.
What did you drink with dinner?
I drank orange juice.
Did you go to bed early?
Yes, I went to bed at 9 p.m.
Where did you find your lost toy?
I found it under the bed.
What did you plant in your garden?
I planted flowers and vegetables.
Did you swim in the pool?
Yes, I swam with my friends.
Where did you go for a family walk?
We walked in the park.
Did you write a letter to a friend?
Yes, I wrote about my day.
What did you play during recess?
I played tag with my classmates.
Did you ride your bike in the evening?
Yes, I rode around the block.
Where did you go for ice cream?
I went to the ice cream shop.
What did you cook with your dad?
We cooked spaghetti together.
Did you climb a tree in the park?
No, I didn't climb trees.
Where did you have lunch yesterday?
I had lunch at school.
Did you help set the table for dinner?
Yes, I set the plates and forks.
What did you find in your backpack?
I found my missing pencil.
Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't go to a museum.
Where did you play hide and seek?
We played in the backyard.
Where did you buy your groceries yesterday?
I bought them at the supermarket.
Did you find the products you needed at the store?
Yes, I found everything on my shopping list.
Where did you go shopping last weekend?
I went to the mall with my friends.
Where did you stay during your vacation?
I stayed at a cozy hotel near the beach.
Did you visit any historical sites on your trip?
Yes, I explored a beautiful old castle.
How long did it take you to get to the market?
It took me about 15 minutes to reach the market.
How many bags did you carry or while shopping?
I had 2 bags full of groceries.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.